Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the temperature unit in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app. Here it opens up in the search menu. From here you just have to go into the profile menu, scroll down, tap on settings, and then here under temperature, you can switch between degrees in Celsius or degrees in Fahrenheit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If we, for example, if we choose our region to be America, then it's going to be automatically in imperial. So imperial units and Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.